Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Petty and I'm a professional makeup artist, if you do not know. The makeup that I have on now is not the makeup look that I'm doing. That makeup that I wore in the thumbnail is the one that I'll be doing. Today is Christmas Eve and I'm recording my introduction because I forgot to record one when I filmed that look the other night. It was like 1 a.m. until, it was like 1:30 in the morning that I stopped recording. It was a really late night and I totally forgot. I was super tired and just ready to go to bed. I do have a little bit of a sick voice, so please forgive me. I don't sound like myself, and also you're gonna see without my makeup that my nose and my lip are all red and jacked up and not looking good. So please forgive that. I couldn't help it. I wanted to do makeup so bad and I couldn't not do it. I had to, even though I look gross. Like real gross. Also, my man was in the room with me while I was recording, so if I'm a little bit robotic at first, it's because I was super nervous that he was watching me. Well, he wasn't really watching me, he was playing Call of Duty. He's actually playing Call of Duty right now. I'm gonna leave some of the things that he said in the video, just for fun. Why not? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. In the comments, I would love to see future looks that you would like me to create. Some I still have yet to create that I've seen comments before on what you'd like to see. I am keeping those in my log. It's just sometimes a look is just, it comes to me and I have to do it and I have to get it out of my system. That's why I haven't completed some of the looks that you guys have said, either on Facebook, Instagram, through DMs, all that. That's the reason why I haven't gotten to it yet. Or I have like a plan, because I have one that I need to do. Aquarius, you know who you are. We're going to be doing that, and that's going to be an amazing look. Oh, baby boy's awake. So I've been talking your ear off, and I'm going to go ahead and just stop where I'm at. I'm going to let you enjoy this video that I made, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. And please enjoy this video and let me know what you think. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my Tarte Poreless Primer. Next I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer next. I need a little extra coverage on the upper lip because I have been sick and blowing my nose a lot and it's super, super red. Go ahead and use my fingers. We're gonna smooth all this out. And don't look at my hands because I have been sick. I've washed my hands millions of times these past 3 days. So my translucent powder today, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It in translucent. My sissy gave it to me. Thank you, sissy. Okay, and then I'm going to use my excess and coat a little bit of everywhere. I really dabbed it in at first, so that way it can really soak in the foundation. Okay, now I'm going to take my RCMA powder and I'm actually going to bake so that way everything sets really nice, and also so that way any fallout from the eyeshadow gets swept away. I'm just going to take a dry sponge . That's done. I'm going to go ahead and take my bronzer. Alright, I've got my angled brush from Sigma. It's a large angled contour brush. My Park Ave Princess bronzer from Tarte. And I'm gonna pack it on heavy today. Beautiful, let's touch up our under eyes, the translucent. Awesome, we're gonna go ahead and get into eyebrows, then we'll get into eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off screen and then I'll be back. That's boring, y'all have seen it a few times, so let's get. Okay, so brows are done. I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the ABH Norvina collection. This is the Pro Palette one, Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. I'm also gonna go in with my Juvias palette, and this is the Mascarade. I love this one. So I want to do a nice wintry blue look, like a midnight blue. I don't know, we'll see. I want some glitter in there somewhere. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a base color, and I actually don't like any of the bases in those two palettes. Well, any of the colors for a base in those two palettes with this look that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna grab another eyeshadow palette and be back. Okay, so I'm bringing out some memories. I'm gonna bring out my old Smashbox Full Exposure palette, and I have used this eyeshadow palette so much. I think I got this palette maybe 5 years ago, I think, and I dug it out. It has been used a lot, so don't mind that. I'm gonna go in with, what shade is it? The shades are on here. I'm gonna go in with M6, and that's gonna be my transition shade. I've got my fluffy brush. Just sweep it back and forth. I'm gonna focus on one eye at a time and do the other eye off camera. That way it saves us both time. Okay, so transition shade is done. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing in the blue. I'm gonna use D4 for this shade, and I'm gonna start packing it in. Okay, it looks like it needs a little bit more of a kicker. So, excuse me, sir, trying to film here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use some water. Okay, I did use quite a bit of water, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry, and then I will be right back once it's dry. Okay, so that blue is dry. I'm gonna go back in and fix any patchy areas. Okay, I'm gonna go in with another fluffy brush, a clean fluffy brush. I'm just gonna smoke it out. Wow. Alright, so I went ahead and did my other eye. Next, I don't know what I want to do. I want to add some highlight. Yeah, let's do that, and then we'll see how it looks. We'll see. Let's see where this goes. Sometimes you just gotta do that. Roll with it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Mascarade palette with Giza. I'm gonna highlight underneath the brow bone, and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of the eye. Okay, I'm gonna take my pinky finger and I'm just gonna blend this in nice and soft. You could use your ring finger too, but I wanted to make it difficult. Next, I'm going to take off all my translucent powder. So I'm gonna go in with a colored pencil from Sephora, and it's called My Boyfriend's Jeans. gonna go in nice and clunky with it because then I'm gonna use this as my base for my eyeshadow. Alright, so with my Mascarade palette, I'm gonna go in with, it's Dahlia, I think it's called. I'm gonna go under my waterline and just smoke it out with that. I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller brush for this to start, and I might work into it with a bigger brush if it's not smoking out right. I should have kept my translucent powder on. Maybe be really careful. To be really careful with this, you just don't put a whole lot of product on your brush. Okay, so I really like how that turned out, and I want to go ahead and add some of this lighter blue up into the top. Okay, so I went ahead and put Dahlia in the inner corner of the eye, and then I also put it on underneath. I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes, top and bottom, and then put on my false lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I got these eyelashes from Amazon. I didn't get them directly from Amazon, so I got a wig from Amazon, and the eyelashes came with. They're super fun. They have like tinsel. They have tinsel in between the eyelashes, and then I went ahead and add just a couple more eyelashes, cut pieces on the outer corners. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush and some highlighter, and then we'll get to lips. I probably shouldn't highlight where I'm sick on my nose because then it brings attention to it, but we'll just pretend it's not there. Love it. I'm gonna move on to the lips. So if you don't have money for fillers, this is what you do. My lips are super chapped too. Everything's just dry.